7.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Over. All that I
Look at
know
this.
is still get older.
Nobody here.
So let us dance this night away.
7.
Somebody's birthday. 6-7. Good morning from Disney's Pop Century. We are checking out and we're heading on over to the beautiful Disney's Beach Club. So if you're new to my channel, know I love to do split stays. It's one way I like to make our vacation affordable but yet still live in that little bit of luxury. So we're handling our luggage ourselves. We decided to spoil ourselves here this morning and we requested the Disney minivan. You could do that right through the Lyft app on the phone. It generally ranges of about $30 to $50. Here, honey. Here, get your sweatshirt. Abuela, help you get your sweatshirt on. It's based on search pricing, so it's not like generally the same price, but what we have found it runs anywhere between $30 to $50 depending how busy it is. So we're gonna just go ahead and do that, but just know if you don't want to spend the money, you could head right to the parks and Disney will actually take care of your luggage yourself. You head on over to baggage claim and they'll transfer it. It's a free service. We've used it many times before and generally your luggage arrives between like 1 and 4. I think we've never had any issues. Maybe once I think it took a little bit longer than usual, but yeah, we utilize this. But since my mother-in-law's here and she did a lot of walking today, I'm not gonna torture her, and we are headed to Hollywood Studios after this. So come along and join us for a fun-filled day.
And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Welcome to the beautiful Disney Beach Club. Alright, so we just went to Marketplace here at Beach Club and we got some breakfast before we get on the road. Lucia's favorite. Maria's first time eating Mickey waffles. Now he's gonna be mad at you.
Mommy, she's gonna go on social ride.
This is like our, I don't know how many aerials we've gone here at Disney, but yeah. No, she can't go to the pool because you have another aerial that has already been destroyed. That's on vacation with us, actually.
No, I need to put her in the pool. Because her sister loves her.
Oh.
That's why she's...
We're trying our luck at another Sweet Dreams pin. We're gonna see what we got.
Okay, I did do next.
Oh, we got that one already.
Yeah.
Okay, take them all out and then we'll show them what we got. Okay, you ready? Show them?
Okay, let's play rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I will. Oh, we already have that one.
Okay, so we gotta trade Mr. Owl. We already have this one.
Okay,
Oh, we have that one too.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You win.
Okay. Oh, I don't remember if we have this guy. Is this Baloo?
We do have this
We
guy.
have Baloo?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You win.
Okay, Abuela, you get to look. What do we get? Oh, Winnie the Pooh. I think we have that one too.
Yes. Okay, now your turn, Ariel. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You win, Ariel. Okay, let's see Ariel. This one.
Oh, we have Dumbo already. Sleeping
Yes,
Dumbo.
I love this. So cute. Okay.
Oh, we got Figaro too.
Okay, now last one. Who wins? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win! Yay! I win! I win!
Oh my goodness.
I win! I win!
All right, looks like we got some pins to trade today because we have a duplicate of every one of these.
Mommy, I win this!
All right, so we're in 3617. Lucia, how's the bed? How does the bed feel?
What?
How does the bed feel?
This one.
Does it feel comfortable?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. All right guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are here at Hollywood Studios. We're gonna make it a quick afternoon. We're trying to be here for about 3 hours. Let's see what we can get done. We have 3 landy lanes. We have an hour before our next one. So let's go figure out what we can do before our first lightning lane.
All right, don't forget your phone.
It's a jolly holiday with you, Bert.
So our line right now is
All right, we're headed to Star Tours. It's only a 5-minute wait. I don't know why this ride gets so much hate. It's a great activity to do. But I'm not gonna complain about the 5-minute wait.
Hello, people. Hello. We're not here to change the world. But I am here to tell you that droids are not permitted in check baggage.
Will be lost. To your archer unit, coordinates I will send. May the force.
Alright, we still have about a half hour to kill, so Olaf, again, is only 5 minutes, so that's great. We're doing great. We got 2 things done. 2 things done. So then Lucia said she wants an ice cream bar, I think, after this. So you know what happened if you followed our Jollywood vlog. You see what happened. She had like a whole meltdown. But in her defense, it was late. So we're going to see how the Mickey bar comes this time around.
Welcome. My grown-ups are big step on the other side. You can look over this way, right this way. We're gonna wait for that microphone. Let's do it. Welcome. Yeah. You guys look on up this way. We're gonna wait for 2 of those flashes. There's number 1. And 1, 2, 1.
Alright, we did Olaf and we took an ice cream break. So Lucia opted for the fruit bar this time. She did not want to take a chance on that Mickey bar. And then while the ladies were having their ice cream snack, I took advantage of taking a picture here at the sci-fi car. It's a great photo op. I'll put it on the screen. Hopefully I can show you on the screen right now. And very cute. I first did this one at Jollywood, and I had to do one that was like less Christmas-like. Really good. The photographer was amazing. Spent a long time with us. Lucia took her pictures. So that brought us right to 2:05. So perfect time. We can do Runaway Railway now. We have like the worst luck as usual. Mickey and Minnie was Runaway Railway. Again, our lightning lane, we get up there and the red is down. So I keep trying to modify, I've been trying to modify actually all week to get us earlier times, and I have not had luck. So even though we did have a lightning lane for Alien Swirling Saucers, it's not in for like another hour. So we just decided to brave the 30-minute line. We're gonna do that. By the time we're done here, we should have our next lightning lane, which is Story Mania. And then I think we're just gonna head back to the hotel because my sister-in-law and brother-in-law are here. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of a short Hollywood Studios day, but we're paying for a deluxe hotel, so we want to make sure we get the amenities in today. saying it's a 50-minute wait, but there's no outdoor queue right now, so I'm kind of like curious if they overinflated the ride time here. Wait time, ride wait time. This is gonna officially, I think, be the last ride of the day. We are gonna call it a day after this because Maria's knee hurts. I don't know what's going on. There's no line in here. They're saying this 15-minute wait. Where is the 15-minute wait? I think they lied. I think this is not accurate. They're definitely overinflating. Look at this. Nobody here. Thank you. Oh, she lost her tap. Girls gone wild. Mermaids gone wild. All right, you like the game?
Yes.
Abuela, you like the game?
Yes.
Is your favorite?
Yes, of course.
It's our favorite. It's definitely a favorite of both of us. So, since the Skyliner is down, we had to wait for the boat, and it's a little bit more packed than usual, but actually, the last boat was only here about 5 minutes ago, so we didn't have to wait too long actually. So it wasn't too bad. So we're just letting the passengers off, we're gonna get on, and then I think the guy said it's about a 6-minute boat ride when we came the first time. Just hoping we don't have to collapse the stroller. Please don't collapse the stroller. And we got a popcorn refill right before we left Hollywood Studios. Tomorrow I'm gonna swing on into Epcot and get a caramel refill. She has a sandcastle. Are you building it with her?
Yes.
Where's all your toys?
Okay.
Alright, because I've neglected to close out any of my vlogs the last 2 days that we've been here, I'm going to go ahead and close it out now just in case. If you made it this far in the video and we're not already friends, go ahead, give this video a like. I share a lot of Disney vlogs, room tours, packing for Disney, all the things. So stick around, subscribe, give this video a like. It really does help support the channel, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye!
I've been